intend to go to work right now, but I haven't have break. I'm going to buy some bread from machines in the lobby and order a cup of coffee at this time. A cup of cappuccino. No sugar. Time is just right now. Okay, I'm gonna go to work. See, it's lunch time. I'm so hungry now. Oh yes, there is a box of dumplings. I'm going to buy it. Okay, I'm gonna eat my lunch. This is miso. This is Chinese dumplings, you know, and this is spicy sauce. Cute dumplings. The dumplings taste very delicious. You all should try it. On to afternoon tea. Time to go home. The challenge is over. I think it's a funny day. What do you think? Hope you enjoy this video. Okay, see you next time.